If you want to set the results and ratings for an individual teacher in EvaluWise, simply click on the Evaluations tab, and then on their Summative evaluation, and then on the Results and Ratings section. This will bring up the results and ratings, and then you will notice, based on whatever preferences you have, you'll first see your averages calculated if you choose to display those, and then professional practice ratings, which will calculate those results based on any rules you may have input, and then also broken down by domain, your rating levels. You have your percentages here for student growth if you're using that, otherwise that will be blank. And then if you need to override your professional practice, you simply select the rating level you'd like. When it comes to the student growth area, you would simply enter the score on the first test and the score on the second to get the growth percentage. And then based on the rules you have set up, a rating will appear, or you can assign one or override with a selection. Exam 2, in this case, which you don't have to have, you could have only one. If you're doing something such as 5% of the rating is based on the growth factor being achieved by 75% or more, and you have different percentages of the students that achieve the growth factor, the way you want to input that, if it's 70%, you just put in a 1 here and then a 1.7, that'll get 70%. Even though you're not using growth, that would show a 70% of the class did it, and vice versa. So start with 1 and then go from there based on the way this is calculated. Or you can just simply select a rating level if you don't want to input the score. You can always override that by selecting a student growth rating, and then you come down here to the summative and it will give you a recommended rating, and you can keep that or you can override it by clicking on the button. So that's how you would set your results and ratings in EvaluWise, as well as override any of the ratings that you need to do so.